Hey guys, Morgan, the Carolina Disney girl here, and I've got some new stuff that I want to show you guys. Um, in previous videos, I've talked about some of the Disney cosmetics that I have found along the way, and one of those lines was Revolution Beauty was doing a whole Disney princess line, and I'm happy to say that more princesses have come out, and I grabbed 3 of them that came out. We have Mulan, Snow White, and Sleeping Beauty. These collections did have lip toppers and highlighter and all that. I just got the face palettes for all 3, and I'll show you guys why. I like how they're packaged outside of the boxes, because they look like little books, but also the face palettes have not only eyeshadow, but it also has blushes and highlighters. So I didn't buy the highlighter that went with this collection because I already had it here. But this is the Mulan Collection. So of course it says Live by Honor. And some of the colors, like this is purple right here, and it's called the Matchmaker. There is a deep hunter green one here called Shan Yu. And of course it's just deep red Imperial Army. Like, just a lot of great, like, colorful options. And of course the blushes and highlighters are always great. Like this one here, True to Who I Am. And I don't know if you can really tell, but the frame here, they are like butterflies and Japan and little Chinese lanterns, and it's different on each one, so it's really cute. Let's take a look at Snow White. And when I grabbed these, they actually even have more princesses that have come out. I just haven't grabbed them yet. I know, like, Moana came out. These were actually on sale when I grabbed them. So this is Snow White. And on this edge, you've got music notes and bunnies, which are really cute. And then you've got, like, little apples right here. So again, I love the packaging of the face palettes. So this is the collection. Of course, you've got like some yellows here. This one's called Huntsman. This one is called Steal a Kiss. And of course, some blues. This blue is actually called Evil Queen. This one is I'm Wishing. A red one called Apple, because of course. And then of course this one's Red as a Rose. This one has a little bit more like a glitter, so it's got a shine to it. And then of course, like, you have to have like a red blush in this palette, which is called The First Princess, which is like the perfect name for it. So love this. And then finally we have Sleeping Beauty, which I have to admit is kind of my favorite princess. And this has the spinning wheel and little stars on the corners here. But what I like is pink and blue on here. So of course the blushes, you've got pinks, and then you kind of got like a whole set of colors here. This green right here is Maleficent. And then you've got this red one here called Kiss. Of course, this pink one is called Aurora. And then right beside it, the blue one's called Make It Blue. But I mean, but I love that they did a pink and a blue side. So super in love with the Revolution Beauty face palettes. Their lip toppers honestly are great too. The face palettes were on sale and that's where I grabbed the face palettes. The lip toppers weren't. And honestly, I have so many lip toppers, which granted I have a bunch of face palettes, but I was trying to be a little bit more mindful of where I'm spending my money. So that's why I only got the face palettes. But if you are interested in like how these colors look, I've been going through all the eyeshadow palettes that I have and doing quick little TikToks, which you can find my TikTok, Carolina Disney Girl, and see all those. Said these will soon be up because obviously I will try these on. So thank you guys so much for hanging out and watching. If you have used any of these palettes, let me know your favorite one, your favorite color combo. And as always, see you next time. Have a magical night. Hakuna Matata.